Hi, my name is Janine. So I heard about Shape the Way from my husband, who was getting some testosterone therapy, and Dr. Tack suggested that I should come in and also try some of his therapies. My first visit with Dr. Tack was very informational. He told me I would do a lot of blood work, and then we would decide how to proceed with hormonal therapy going forward. So then we decided to do hormonal replacement treatment, testosterone and estrogen, and so far it's been so helpful for me. So I've had some really big changes. After I started treatment with Dr. Tack, I have been able to sleep through the night, and I haven't been able to do that for years. I also have had depression and anxiety, which has lessened significantly after taking the hormonal therapy. My moods are much more level, and my family has noticed that. And I also just, I have more energy, and I really appreciate that he listens to my concerns about how I'm feeling, and he was serious about replacing my hormones. So some of the biggest results I've noticed, along with being able to sleep better, is just that I'm more calm overall, which I really love. I'm not overreactive, which I really noticed myself being hyperreactive in the past. Also, you know, having sex was a little difficult. Getting older, a lot of vaginal dryness, that's gone, which is really great for my sex life, and just in general feeling better about things like that. The thing that really stood out to me about my care with Dr. Tack is constantly monitoring my test results, so I can really know if the hormone treatment is working, where I stand, taking weight and all kinds of baseline analyzing, so that I know exactly what it looks like, and I get a whole printout, and I can keep track of my progress, which is really great. So I just really think if you're looking for any kind of hormonal help and are going through menopause, it's really a good idea to have a consultation with Dr. Tack. He's very educated, and he's also progressive, which for me is important because he is looking into the future, not looking into the past, and that really helps me know that he cares about the new treatment and how it's affecting women, our hormones, and our aging process. So I just would like to share that my experience with Dr. Tack's office has been wonderful, very helpful in the office staff, and his assistants really answer all my questions and help me with scheduling and any other problems that I have. So it's been a very easy process.